Okay, I made another attempt. This time I added a NTC thermal resistor after the fuse, also a varistor, and this is a C1's, a 10UF, goes into these this toroid with two separate wines into a full-wave bridge, and then this into this cap 10UF. This one's a 10UF, 10UF, 10UF. This is a 0.33. Whatever. So the thermistor blew in half, but the fuse didn't blow, which is interesting. So I have a feeling it was kind of blowback coming back, because also look at what happened to the MOSFET. It just blew up very violently, and this actually lifted in the air a little bit when this MOSFET blew. Sequence of events is I had this battery hooked to the signal generator, which was working pretty good, and I have it at 24 kilohertz, and I had it at 15% duty cycle. And I plugged it in and nothing blew up. And I had 161 volts DC across the bridge that's connected to this cap. But I didn't get anything happening with the load over here. So I turned it up to 25% duty cycle. Now this bulb was glowing. This bulb is attached to this black coil, which is not bifilar, it's monofilar. They call this the resonator coil. It's the very bottom coil that goes flush with this primary coil that's supposed to be getting pulsed at about 24 kilohertz and about 150 volts. What this coil is supposed to endure. And you can see it has air spacing between each wine plus its Litz wire. So these are really made for high frequency. And you can see the ferrite bars behind there that's supposed to concentrate the flux coming out. So nothing happened at 15% duty cycle, so I turned it up to 25%. Now this was glowing, and then I stuck some sheet metal between here, because that's how I would get it going. The lights don't suddenly light up when I have the cooktop inducing into the stack of bifilers. And when I stuck that in there, now the MOSFET blew up very violently. And I noticed the thermal resistor blew too. I'm going to guess the MOSFET stuck on. It quit pulsing. I'm going to guess this is what it was. So I'm going to replace this, the 4422 driver chip. And I also have a 10K resistor between the ground and the signal source that comes from the signal generator, 24 kilohertz. Maybe I should have had a 10K across here too. not only a 10K here, but one there, but I don't know. Really don't know. So maybe I'll replace the IGBT, replace the MOSFET with an IGBT, the same type that was in there. So I guess that's about it. I took everyone's advice. It lasted a little bit longer this time. Okay, thanks for watching.